Laundry room organization is the secret to a peaceful and functional space. Welcome to our channel, where we explore the best ways to optimize your laundry room and transform it into a clutter-free zone. In this video, we'll show you expert tips on laundry room storage, shelving, and cabinets to help you maximize your space. Whether you're looking for wall cabinets for laundry room, laundry storage cabinet, or custom closet solutions for your laundry room, we've got you covered. A well-organized laundry room can save you time and reduce stress. That's why we'll be sharing our top tips on laundry room organization, including how to use storage between washer and dryer to maximize your space. We'll also explore the benefits of laundry room storage cabinets and how to choose the right cabinets for laundry room for your needs. Effective laundry room storage is key to keeping your laundry room clutter-free. We'll be looking at various storage solutions, including wall-mounted cabinets for laundry room, utility cabinets for laundry room, and laundry room shelving ideas. Whether you're looking for California closets, laundry room, or Closets by Design laundry room solutions, we'll show you how to create a custom storage system that works for you. Cabinets for laundry room and laundry room shelving are essential components of a well-designed laundry room. We'll be exploring the different types of cabinets and shelving available, including wall cabinets for laundry room and utility cabinets for laundry room. We'll also show you how to choose the right materials and designs for your laundry room cabinets and laundry room shelving. If you're looking for a custom solution for your laundry room, we'll be exploring the options available from companies like California Closets Laundry Room, Closets by Design Laundry Room, and Container Store Laundry Room. We'll show you how to create a bespoke storage system that meets your specific needs and maximizes your space. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has inspired you to create your dream laundry room using our expert tips on laundry room organization, laundry room storage, and custom closet solutions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more home organization and decor tips.